Mark LeBlanc here. Welcome back to what will be my new shop. I was not expecting to do a video today. My plan was to start cleaning up the place and putting some stuff upstairs and bringing some stuff into the garage. And we have a beautiful day today. It's snowing pretty heavily right now. It's like a postcard over here. But something happened just a couple of hours ago. And I felt I had to bring it up to speed, because I'm actually pretty stunned by what happened. So yesterday morning, I went out to Lee Valley in Laval, Quebec, and I ordered a saw stop table saw. And I said I wanted to get it delivered. And I said, well, we think it's back ordered, we'll get it to you, whatever. Here's the delivery fees. Everything was okay, everything was organized. And lo and behold, this morning, literally 24 hours after I did my purchase. Like, I looked at my bill, and 24 hours later, truck pulls up into our driveway, and guess what? I've got a table saw. Needs a little bit of assembly. You would probably agree with me there, but I've got my saw stop. So big shout out to the folks at Lee Valley in Laval. Awesome. This is my birthday. This is my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm thrilled. Happy Festivus, everybody. It's going to be a better year in 2021 than it was in 2020, for sure.